It's really bad. It's like, look at this. Y'all gonna hear a lot of come down, even on my birthday. Yep, it's down. Woo. Here you go.
Come here, bebes. Whoa, такие большие капли. Dry? Good.
Go.
Let's go. We're wet.
This is my birthday. I don't care. I don't care how much it rains. My birthday, okay.
You want to still go check the mail?
We're not gonna go check the mail. All right. Look at that.
Whoa. It's freaking. Oh, we don't wet the camera.
Oh.
I'm wet. I'm wet.
Yeah, you're a little bit wet. I'm almost wet. Look at that. Look how the wind's blowing.
Whoa.
This is the side that gets the breeze. Wow. You can go open the house door if you want to. Whew. Okay. I am soaking wet, people. Okay. Yes. I was killing myself.
Baby, be careful.
Y'all hear that?
Yeah, let's go. I'll show you.
What's the ball?
Whoa.
That car would have been really badly wet.
Yeah, but it was right. Happy birthday, honey.
Thank you. Thank you, weather. The weather's happy it's my birthday, so.
Here, you can take pictures.
Weather's happy it's my birthday. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna, yeah, no,
Take your picture?
yeah, I'm gonna take some pictures soon. Look at this. Yeah.
I'll go fix the camera.
Yeah, I'm gonna take some pictures soon. Look at this. Yeah.
I'll go fix the camera.
Okay. It's really coming down, folks. Woo! Yeah! I'm sorry I was so loud in your ear. Thank you. Those are my allergies. I can feel my nose keep itching. Oh gosh, it is really coming down here. Woo. This is so cool. Uh-oh. Battery's dying. And of course, there's probably no wind inside the house. Look how bad this water's coming down, folks. Woo! Watch it stop in a minute. It's gonna stop. It's gonna be really calm. It even stopped. The wind, if you can look, it pretty much stopped. Everything is pretty much at a standstill. The trees are blowing. The sky is making a whole lot of noise.
Here, you can have this. I can take this for that. Whoa.
It's still going, guys. Really, really, really coming down. The funny thing about it is, pretty soon it's gonna probably be dry. Sun's gonna, rain's gonna stop. That shows you how crazy our Michigan weather is. It's all like there's some fishing going on up there. My baby. We were soaking wet. Oh my gosh, the car would be really, really wet if we didn't do this. We didn't go, look at how much water is accumulated over there. This is my birthday. I don't care, this is a good birthday. Got a nice thing of rain falling. I love this type of weather. As long as it don't destroy stuff like people's houses, so this is cool. I don't want to keep making y'all dizzy. Ooh, I missed some lightning. It was just right over there in the sky. Yeah. I just saw it come down. You know what? This is probably remnants. They said that there was a, yeah. I forgot, well, I think it was Nebraska. Yeah, I think it was Nebraska. I just watched on the news a couple days ago that they had a twin tornado. There was 2 tornadoes that had touched down at the same time. This is probably some of the leftovers from it.
Really?
Yeah. I can show you it. How they had, there was 2 tornadoes at one time. And it tore up a lot of stuff. Excuse our fogginess. That's the rain and the fog on the glass of the camera. Camura. Doing our photography thing. Yeah, but they had 2 twin tornadoes touch down and tore up a lot of stuff. Again, I missed some lightning. I think I'll keep you guys looking at the lightning or something. And it tore up a whole lot of stuff. I'll see if I can find out where the link is or how to show you guys what the tornadoes look like. But it tore up a lot of stuff here. Not here, but in America. I think it was in Nebraska. I'll find out for sure, and we'll let you guys know. But this is a nice rainy birthday. No problem at all. I'm enjoying my day with my wife. And you guys that are wishing me happy birthday on VK, on Instagram, on all the social media sites that we're on. If you guys get a chance, if you're new viewers to us, watch our, if you can read English, keep it going. If you can read English, I started posting a blog about how I met my wife. She usually leaves the links. She usually leaves the links below, so check on one of the links, check us out. Ah, I love this weather. That's my baby. They say you could tell how close a storm is by how separate the lightning is from the thunder.
Oh, really?
Yeah. If they're really close together, that means it's supposed to like be overhead or really close. You count like when the thunder, you count until you see lightning, or lightning, you count until you hear thunder. One of them two. All right, guys, I'm about to take some photos, pictures. I love this weather. We'll see you soon. For now, пока.
Ну вот и все. Закончилось сегодняшний дождь. Как его и не бывало. У меня батарейка садится.
That's it. Oh, I am soaked. My whole shirt.
Me too. Но тоже все мокрое.
Let's go get all these clothes.
Yeah. Ладно. It just blinked.
It did.
Yeah. It's okay. It wasn't there though. It was right there. It just did it again right there. Птичка. Фух, ладно, пойдемте. Oh. He's old. He's old.
Who the
The
cop?
police officer.
He
Мы
looked kinda young.
гуляем. He had gray hair all over his head. Всем привет.
What happened? Hey back.
You wet.
See?
I want to go home.
No, you don't. Let me
Yes,
dry
I
you
do.
off. Let me
It's
dry you off.
cold.
Let me dry you off.
No, I don't want no wet. No.
It's not wet. Look.
But I'm wet. I don't want no stuff on my wet shirt.
You won't feel it.
No, let's go change clothes.
Oh, I would never do that again.
Oh, it's so cold.
I should have waited till we was coming back. I did it too early. We just left the house.
Oh.
Like one of those with Wi-Fi when we was on the island. I just wanted to be able to upload them while we was walking.
Really?
I don't know why I didn't do it.
Мы гуляем. Мы решили не переодеваться. Я все еще мокрая. И Нель тоже.
I'm still kind of wet. Get the soda water, sewer water.
Там водичка бежит.
No gas lines.
О, yeah. У них газовые, видите, не поверху проведены газовые, а типа провода, или как это называется. Внизу, под землей газовые штуки. Смотри, какие прикольные конфетки. Супермена. Мы тоже всякого купили. That's my birthday boy. What is that?
It's all the energy drinks down here.
Энергетические напитки.
Nosh, Full Throttle, Amp, Rockstar. They even got Starbucks even has one.
Wow.
Monster Energy, Monster Energy, Monster Energy.
Yeah, I remember those monsters.
Yeah.
Whole summer of 2011. I was like, okay, gotta go to work.
Who?
Me?
Oh, you was taking them? Oh, really? I didn't know you was taking them.
Every day.
I didn't know you was taking
Me and
them.
Regina. Mm-hmm.
Oh, what was y'all taking them for?
We stayed up till late. Why are we still walking around?
Huh?
Why are we still walking around?
I don't know.
Okay, let's go